In May 2016, we sailed 3,000 nautical miles across the vast Pacific Ocean aboard our 38-foot leopard catamaran, Fata Morgana. The Pacific is the biggest of oceans, and the distance between Galapagos and the Marquesas Islands in French Polynesia is the longest stretch of water without land. Alone, surrounded by nothing but sea for 23 long days and nights, Fata Morgana seemed the only inhabitable place in the universe. Before you leave on an epic journey like this one, you have to make sure you have enough food for a month. In Galapagos, we bought 100 eggs, lots of fruits and vegetables, 100 pounds of potatoes, 100 pounds of flour, and 4 cases of beer, which later saved our lives. April 28th. Escorted by our friends, the Galapagos sea lions, we left the safety of land and civilization. Watching the last island disappearing on the horizon behind us is a feeling I don't know how to describe. Almost 3,000 nautical miles ahead of us, the countdown begun. Imagine counting backwards from 3,000 to 0, pausing between each number for 10 minutes. Slowly, you will be counting for 3 weeks. After a couple of days with calm seas and light winds, a sort of routine established itself on board. I spent my free time reading and writing and drawing, preparing food, doing chores around the boat. I went to school almost every day. Today I'm in school and I'm doing science, my favorite subject. And today I'm reading about the circulatory and respiratory systems in the human body. Why it matters. To explore underwater, these divers are using oxygen. You and the divers need oxygen to live. Your respiratory and circulatory systems deliver oxygen to your body cells.
Sometimes we read the lesson from here and we can go and look for other articles based on that, what we're studying right now. We're still with this math book, that's from Trinidad and Tobago.
It's hard.
And it's hard and for her, but she's good at math. This we found in Puerto Rico, it's in Spanish. And with it she's learning Spanish and history and geography for the region and for the world, that's the world. We have another one that's only for South America and Latin America. And this is a book we found in one of the marinas in, what was it? I think in Trinidad. It's awesome, it's about Antarctica.
And I exercised because life at sea can get pretty lazy, but I wanted to keep in shape. Meanwhile, my dad caught fish.
That's a small but very tasty tuna. So we're gonna be eating sushi!
Wow! Finally, sushi! Yesterday we caught one small tuna. Sushi is all I wanted to eat since January. Wow! Look at that, man. Fresh, nice. I can eat this forever and ever and ever. Man, I envy myself. Nothing better than this. Oh my god. Sushi. Again. One more time. This is good. Yeah, sushi is good. Second day sushi. Way to go. Sushi. Again. Again. I'm eating the same sushi over and over. Again and again. That's water.
This is how much meat we're getting.
Really? Again? Sushi. Times a day sushi.
So my mom made something else for dinner. After dinner, we watched films.
Bean bags. We can't live without those bean bags, can we?
I don't know. No.
Life without bean bags is impossible.
Long may April and holiday forever.
We enjoy our comfort.
Alright, so now we close the enclosure and we're getting ready to watch a film. Go Maya, which film is that?
The bucket list. This is our pet booby called Nipple. We caught fish and now we're giving him the things we don't eat. This lost and very tired booby bird found us on the third day of the passage, hundreds of miles away from land, and decided to stay with us for a few days. Some days he would go away fishing for a few hours and then come back on board. He wasn't very beautiful, but he was our guest and we loved him. The middle of the ocean, day 11.
We celebrate the middle of the ocean. Man. We're having lukanka, lutenica, and feta cheese. Now that rocks. We hit the hell of a weather outside, but inside, so good.
Dear reader, my name is Maya and I'm 12 years old. I live with my mom Mira and my dad Ivo on a sailboat named Fata Morgana. Whether you are reading this a decade or a century later or even a few weeks later, please contact us on our sail blog, thelifenomadik.com. We post all our journeys of our travels, and as a side note, we release this note in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Thanks for taking the time to read our message. And please don't hesitate to check us out and contact us. Okay, so we are in the middle of the Pacific and we're celebrating, and there's 1,456 miles left until we reach Marquesas Islands, and I made messages in all the languages I know, and I put them in a bottle, and I'm gonna throw it in the water for whoever receives it. They will contact us. Imagine if it sunk right away.
Okay, this is Ivo's foul weather gear, or foul gear, I should say.
I'm sexy and I know it. I can touch it. I can touch it. What?
After the bad weather, which lasted for 3 days and ended with a storm, we rested, fixed the torn sail, and everything was back to normal again.
What's the speed, man?
4.
What's the...
3.8.
Huh?
3.7. 3.8. 4.2.
No, what's the wind speed?
7.6.
Oh, there we go. So we have something there.
Our speed is 4.3.
Why do we have something there? Yeah.
Life is like a box of chocolate. I mean, life is like a boat. You never know what sail you're gonna put.
Okay, so we're having wind 6-7 and we're doing 6 knots speed. 5-6.
Oh, let it fly, man. Fly, fly. We fly the spinnaker. It's cool. We make it 1 knot more with my genius idea.
It got really hot on the equator, but we found a way to cool down.
Power to the people of Quebec.
It's your turn! After almost 23 days at sea, we arrived in Fata Morgana, the first of the Marquises Islands in French Polynesia. Well, thank you so much for watching our videos. See you next time on land, in some of the most beautiful islands on the South Pacific.